Hey everyone, ESU Warrior Model Shop. This is Matt. So, it is done. I repeat, done. What, 4.5 months or so between breaking stuff and messing stuff up and everything, but it is done. So, on this final episode of the Arizona, pretty much everything was put in place. Made the barrel bags, cranes, the little planes, and just like the little bits. I did try making a thing for the anchor shields with the 200 or with the 350 scale. The photo etch does not come with it, so I was going to attempt it, but I tried to piece everything together. It looked good. Then it just started falling apart as soon as I started cutting it. So I tried a couple different techniques. I used a rotary tool. I used just trying to cut it, but it just didn't work out. Sorry about that. So I don't have that on the video. I think I have a little bit of me puttying it up, but that's pretty much it. So, but without further ado, here you go. Doing the cranes. Just a little touch up there. Photo etch is on. And then the cranes. As you can see, I'll pick it up. So, that's what I'm working on. While I'm waiting on some other parts, I decided to do the catapult, or at least start it. My photo etch machine is a piece of crap. It broke. I do not recommend it. I will tell you what it is so you do not get it. So this is the rear catapult. I have to put something on there. Once it's done, it will sit just like that. Just a little straighter. Be like that. So, to be continued. I just made these. Have no idea what they are. As you can see, there. That goes right here onto an angle. I'm going to paint it up and put it on, but I have no idea what that is. Cranes are in. I didn't glue it because if I feel like moving them, that's what I will do. As you can see, this is now in. These are in. There's like a little spot here, the little house here, as well as the little outhouse here. Got the one catapult done. And then I'll bring you over here. All of the turrets are done and no red on top. I repeat, no red on top. Crane is done. Catapult done. Painted again. Catapult done. Have to do those barrels. And then once that's done, pretty much everything on this back will be completed. Okay, folks, it is about 98% done to my liking. I'm not doing the rails. As you can see, I still need to paint the chains. I put where the anchors go in. I made blast bags or barrel bags. I used Model Magic. Little putty. Wasn't hard at all. Yeah. As you can see. The ship planes are done. On turret 3. And then on the back, I chose to have it angled a little, just so I could do, turn turret 4, how I like it. And as you can see, all the little vents are done, the covers are done, ships, all this. Oh, nice. But wait, there's more. As you can see, photo etch just laying around. What I'm going to be doing is gluing them all together, cutting it to that shape. I did keep that from my wooden deck. It pops off before I put it on, and that's what I'm going to use as my guide. So stay tuned. Phase 1 is complete. What I did was put painter's tape down, taped it, so now the sticky side, as you can see, the sticky side is holding these in place. You can kind of see like the little discoloration on it. That's from the glue. Letting it set overnight. And then what I'm going to do is flip it over, glue it onto the other side, go from there, putty everything so there's no cracks or anything visible. As you can see, like there is some, like the photo etch is kind of bent a little. Basically what I did was cut all the ends off, as you can see, like, and I'll bring this over. No ends. So I have enough to make one other set. So process continues. It's all nice and puttied, about to be dried, sanded again, puttied, sand again. So it'll pretty much, what I'm going to do, as you can see, that fits the whole thing. There's going to be a lot of cutout, and I'll use the grinder for that. Okay, the finished product. I'll just do side view, and then I'll turn the barrel bags, as you can see. Nice and quiet. Fix that, that fell off. I don't know how good you can really see, but there's the top. I'm opting not to put on the all the cords and everything, so Get top view over here. And that's it. There you have it, folks. The finished BB39 Uss Arizona from Hobby Boss, 1/3/25 scale. So I'd like to thank everyone that has subscribed to me and has followed me through this little adventure. Brian out at BAS Dry Dock, thank you for giving me a lot of tips and kind of mentoring me through this, because this is my first time ever with photo etch, and he had a lot of good things to tell me. But I don't know when, but I will start another build soon. It'll probably be the Corsair that I have, but I don't know exactly when I'll be starting it, but I will definitely do that and film it for you guys. So, again, thank you everyone for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon.